Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a sales agreement with UpCounsel, full guide step by step clearly. Creating a sales agreement can be a straightforward process with the right guidance. Start by visiting the UpCounsel website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Get Started button. Click on this button to begin the process. You will need to either log in or create a new account if you haven't done so already. If you're creating a new account, fill in the required information. After successful registration or login, navigate to the Contracts section. In this section, you will find various templates for different legal documents. Select the sales agreement template specifically designed for your needs. Once you select the template, you can start editing it. Fill in essential details, including the names of the buyer and seller. Specify the sale terms, such as the description of the goods or services. Include the total sale price and any payment terms required. Add any warranties or guarantees that may apply to the sale. If applicable, specify conditions for termination of the agreement. Once you've customized the agreement, make sure that all parties clearly understand their rights and obligations. After confirming all details are correct, it's time to download the agreement. Choose the appropriate format for your needs, such as PDF or Word. Share the document with the relevant parties for their review and approval. Once all parties agree, arrange for signatures. Use UpCounsel's e-signature feature for a seamless signing process. Ensure that everyone receives a signed copy of the final agreement. Keep a copy for your records as well. Congratulations, your sales agreement is now complete. You're all set to move forward with your business transaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.